Kaya pinasok ko si Dita Blan
Dita
para
Blan.
tatlo pa rin ang spikers nila sa harap. Yun yung parang pinaka-main purpose nung ating...
Nag-double palit kanina. Oh, Freyan Garcia.
Pero si Freyan, dala pa rin ang buong Mapua. Lakas ng batang to.
At that time, isa lang yung nakabantay sa kanya.
Nila dun.
Kasi pareho yan. Si Cabadin tsaka si Garcia.
Hindi mo pwedeng isang blocker lang yan.
Eto, si Freyan. Bumalik.
Oh, like that one.
That's better coverage. Technical long. Still alive though. Azareno. Freyan again. Cross court. She catches the line.
Right on the line.
Wow. It was a power alley for Freyan Garcia. So, Coach Mia will challenge this.
Pero i-challenge nila to.
So, this is a challenge for
Ano
JRU.
ano sa tingin mo? In or out?
Nangyari sa harap natin eh.
Ako parang kita ko in.
Pasok ano? Yeah.
Pasok.
Manipis pero papasok.
Yes.
Yun natin.
Pero let's see. Kaya may challenge system tayo.
Na-test tayo dun ah. Kasi nangyari sa harap natin.
So parang medyo deceiving.
Oo. Sige, tignan natin. 21-15. By the way, Mapua right now, number 3 in the team
Number
standings. Ito. Oh yeah, pasok.
Pasok.
This is gonna be inside.
Inside.
So 2 straight for the Lady Cardinals. Freyan Garcia has 5 points so far. Service ace.
Service ace.
By Freyan.
Straight to the libero. Alam mo, napaka-frustrating ng mga ganyan, lalo kapag libero ka, tas na sa service ace ka. Nako.
I was about to say, kasi syempre, yan ang Azareno, team captain.
Good pass.
Kabiga choosing Freyan Garcia.
Freyan. Grabe yung confidence ni Freyan. Sa palo na yun. Parang alam na alam niya kung saan niya dadalhin talaga. Kasi ang ganda ng service eh. Float. Yan pa naman yung mga isa sa pinakaayaw kong serve.
Float serve. Mas mahirap babasahin.
Oo, walang ikot. But Freyan, wow, this girl.
On fire again.
On fire.
She continues her scoring ways. 8 points now for Garcia.
Tsaka kita mo dun sa may approach niya. Choices eh. Kapag isa lang ang blocker mo, either match check, kailangan ready ka dun, or pupunta sa dalawang gilid niya. So tatlo, yun yung babantayan mo, or ida-drop. Like that one.
Ooh. Sumugal doon. Si Gavika.
Chance ball. Nice.
Freyan!
But Freyan.
Check out.
Smart.
Sabi niya sa atin, kanina pa ako nagpa-power. Ito, simplihan ko lang.
Medyo dikit na rin kasi sa net. Kaya talagang ginawa niya na lang ng paraan. Isang tactic yung kapag...
Inday.
Nice.
Good serve.
Nice serve.
Free ball to. Inday. Back to Nicole.
Good cover.
But Freyan!
But Freyan.
Grabe
Grabe yung court awareness.
16 points now for Freyan Garcia. And how about this? Yeah. A reaction on the overpass. In season 100. Good to have you with us. Martin Javier with Jack Janela here in the coverage. MG Baliday is at courtside. Ito, Freyan Garcia starts us off with this swing. She now has 11 points.
Cross-court spike. Solid. Tsaka hindi lang siya yung spike eh.
Ito yata yung first set na nakaraming error ang Lady Cardinals. Kasi first two natin, very efficient sila. Freyan.
Pero si Freyan, wala.
Grabe naman yun. Down the line again. It's another power hit for Freyan Garcia.
Parang sukat.
11 all. Ramos targets Rebustes. Garcia!
Freyan, buong-buo ang loob.
Wala siyang atake ngayon na hindi full commitment.
Grabe ang efficiency nga eh, no? Kanina, zone 1.
Yeah.
Ngayon, zone 6.